Hello, good afternoon guys. Today I'm going to troubleshoot this LG split inverter AC. The problem of this is when the compressor is turning on, it instantly shut off. It stopped the compressor momentarily. Now I will switch on the breaker so that we can see. See. Here is what is going to happen. See, let's work the outdoor fan motor and also the compressor. It stopped. Now I'm going to troubleshoot this, what might be the problem. Okay guys, let's get it on. So guys, we will proceed to troubleshooting. We have to check the resistor. This is okay, 100 ohms, and also this one okay. This also is okay. This one is okay. This one, oh, this is 100k. Supposed to be, this is only 100 ohms. Now it a high resistance, that's why it stopped the compressor, because it is connected to the output of microcontroller going to the input of IPM. It means the 3-piece, this is a U, it is not balance the signal. The signal is a very little only goes to input of microcontroller. Now we are going to extract this guys, so that to replace the exact value, which is 100 ohms. Okay, we have to replace. We'll take from our resistor here. We'll take from here. This is 100 ohms. It's very small. It's difficult to handle. This is very small. As little as lice. see guys if the resistance is correct. Okay, 100 ohms. Now we are going to test this one. Let's take a look guys if it is working, if our troubleshooting and repair might be successful. Now switch on the breaker, then we're going to remote this. Let's see if it's gonna work. Now indoor fan motor is working, and also this outdoor board there is a light. We're gonna wait for several minutes to turn on the compressor and outdoor fan motor. Now guys, it's working. Outdoor fan motor and compressor are working. See, now our troubleshooting and repair is successful. Okay guys, thank you very much for your patiently watching this video. If you like the video, like it and share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. Okay, bye.